Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the NBC app. First, download the NBC app from your preferred app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create a free NBC Universal profile. This profile helps you save favorite shows and resume watching across multiple devices. Finally, link your TV provider credentials to unlock the complete library of live and on-demand content, ensuring you don't miss a single moment of your favorite programs. Navigating the NBC app is straightforward and intuitive. The home screen showcases featured shows, trending series, and live events, making it easy to see what's popular. If you have something specific in mind, simply use the search bar to find your desired program or episode. You can also browse content by genre, like drama or comedy, or by specific NBC Universal networks, helping you discover new and exciting shows to enjoy. The NBC app offers two primary ways to watch: live television and on-demand. With a linked TV provider, you can stream live NBC broadcasts, ensuring you catch your favorite shows as they air. The app also provides a comprehensive on-demand library, featuring thousands of episodes and full seasons. Many shows offer new episodes available the day after airing, and some provide early access or exclusive content, enhancing your viewing experience significantly. Personalizing your NBC app experience makes it even better. Utilize the My List feature to add shows you want to watch, creating a convenient queue. You can also adjust video quality settings within the app to suit your internet connection, choosing between standard and high definition for optimal streaming. Enable push notifications for timely reminders about new episodes, live events, and updates, ensuring you stay informed and never miss out on your preferred NBC Universal content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.